This is Reynolds experiment. As we have already discussed in the class, the flow Reynolds number, if it is less than 2000, it is laminar flow. That means the flow layers are in laminas. They don't intermix. Each layer does not mix with another layer inside this transparent pipe. And as it is already discussed in the class, when the flow Reynolds number is greater than 4000, there is intermixing of particles between the layers because of momentum transfer of particles between layers, and the flow turns turbulent flow. That means there is intermixing of layers, there are vortices formed inside, and you don't get laminar flow anymore. In between 2000 and 4000, we have flow transitions. We have already discussed in class the various patterns. Remember those 6 figures we discussed? Okay, first there is one line, and then the flow turns into intermediate and then into turbulent forms. Okay, that pattern we are going to look into this and calculate the Reynolds number at that flow. So in this apparatus, we have a water tank, that is a pump. Alright, the water is pumped through this tank. In this tank, water is stored. While water is delivered from this inlet, there is ink here. There is an ink nozzle in between here at the center of this pipe. Parallelly, ink when it is put on, ink is released in this pipeline at the center line. Okay, so let us start the experiment and first see how are the flow patterns that we see. Alright, the flow is on, and now is going to start the dye. Okay, once the dye is released, you can see the release of dye. See there. Now you can see when at the close up, you can see a single line which represents a laminar flow inside. That means what? Rho Vd by mu, which is the Reynolds number, is laminar. Look at the flow pattern. There is no intermixing of layers in between. Alright. Now he is going to slowly increase the flow. Okay, by opening the wall. Once the flow is increased, there is disturbances in the layers, and you can see the pattern has changed. The ink line has changed. If he further increases it, it starts to wobble. That means what? Fluid particles from one layer are just going to mix with fluid particles of adjacent layers inside the pipe, and the flow is started to become turbulent. Once he opens some more, you can see there are vortices formed and the flow is turbulent. You don't see any ink line now, but the ink is getting intermixed with different layers. Now if we go and calculate the velocity at these different pattern lines, you will find that when the Reynolds number was less than 2000, the line was straight. When the Reynolds number was more than 4000, the flow turned into turbulent flow. We measure we collect water for up to 1 liter and find out the time taken and find out the velocity from there. So that is how we measure the velocity. Other than that, you have to calculate the Reynolds number and see that the flow pattern, how the flow pattern varies when Reynolds number changes. Reynolds number is a dimensionless number. It is very important number and it is required for most calculations throughout your engineering. Alright, in many subjects across disciplines. Okay, so please read and write. All readings will be given to you. Alright, thank you.